From cluttered to chic, this scallop basket from UPINFREE can make every room in your house look so much better. Hey guys, it's Rebecca with WTI, and I'm so obsessed with how cute this little basket is. It's designed to sit perfectly on the back of your toilet, which is such a smart way to use space, especially if you have a smaller bathroom. I use it to store essentials like toilet paper and other items, and it keeps everything looking clean and put together. What really stood out to me is the wicker design. It adds that warm, natural look that instantly makes your space feel cozy and elevated. It's lightweight, but still super durable and well made, and there are so many ways to decorate it. I also love how versatile it is. You can use it in your bathroom, in your kitchen, or on your coffee bar. The best part is that even if water gets on it, it doesn't damage the basket. I'm telling you, the quality is so impressive. So if you're like me and you love a clean, organized space but don't want to sacrifice style, then this basket is exactly what you need. And that's just my point of view.